The reason you'll never make money in Forex, I call it the never-ending cycle of despair. It's quite simple really, and we're going to get to that because 99% of traders, day traders, or people who trade short-term trading, not investing, not stocks, indexes, Forex, commodities, that sort of thing, 99% lose money. I know we talk about how 69%, 80% of traders, 70% of traders lose money when trading, and that's the warning you get on every trading platform. That's the warning you get on my videos. That's the warning you get on every other guru's videos as well. Same thing. Thing is, guys, it's not that simple. 99% according to statistics, I can't say that word, statistics, lose money. It's a terrible statistic. Let's be honest. It's awful when you are trading, knowing that you might only have a 1% chance of success. That's actually quite ridiculous when you think about it. Hey, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading. And by the way, trading is risky while we're on the subject. And as I said, so many traders lose money. So if you don't like losing money, rather don't trade. But the end of the day, what is the never-ending cycle of despair? Why will you struggle to make money in Forex trading or even index trading or even commodities trading? You might even struggle to make money in stocks. And there's a simple reason for it. What actually happens is you start out by having a few wins with your system. You get a new system and you have a few wins and you think, this is great. And then you start adding to your trades and then you start taking losses. And when you start taking those losses, the first thing you do is you start searching around for a new system. You start looking for or tweaking the system that you've got. You start improving that system, making it better, trying to change it. And what happens? You start having a few wins. A few wins start occurring for you and you start feeling more confident again. You start adding to those trades. You start getting better at it. And what happens? You start taking losses again. Are you seeing the cycle? And it's going around. So what do you do when you start taking losses? You start tweaking the system. You start looking for a new system. You go back. You start taking some wins. On those wins, you think this is great. Once again, you start taking some losses. It's the never-ending cycle of despair. Because what happens is, to every trader, is you start adding to the losses because you're trying to revenge trade. You're trying to get the money back. You're trying to narrow it down so you don't take any loss whatsoever. So you average down on your losses and you end up taking more losses and it gets worse and it gets bigger and it gets bigger. You move your stop losses away from where you originally placed them instead of understanding that your trade has invalidated. So you move the stop loss further away. And this never-ending cycle of despair continues to haunt you because it doesn't go away. It just stays there. The only way to handle or to stop this psychological problem from happening to you is learning how to manage your risk. And this is what I always talk about because the stock market is a 50-50 game. And in the stock market, you've got a 50% chance of winning and a 50% chance of losing every single time you take a trade, no matter what your system is. You can use my system, the support and resistance system that we talk about in all the videos. You may have watched the videos, you may have seen the last videos with the support and resistance system in. But at the end of the day, it's all about managing your risk. And the reason I use that system is simply to manage my risk. Hey guys, while you're here, check out my secret blog. There's a free trade there for you every day and also a free Forex book. Go down there. Get the free Forex book, have a look at the free trade every day, because the free trade every day, it's always nice to see what somebody else is trading and just to sort of quantify your thinking against somebody else's thinking. Because like I said, this is 50-50. Someone believes the market's short and someone else believes the market's long in every single trade you take. It's not going to change anything. It's always going to be like that. So like I say, you're welcome to go and check out those trades. There's lots of other people that offer a trade of the day and things like that. It's great to watch what other people are doing because it helps you quantify, is your thinking going along the right sort of lines? There's no strategy that's going to help you to win. The only thing that's going to help you to win is your psychology and the psychology of managing your risk. In other words, if you set a stop loss, stick to it and take small losses. And then if you're winning, add to your trades. That's where you average up. Don't average down, average up. Or at least follow the win till it makes it decent or it gets to your target. First target. Second target. I normally have 2 targets. I normally have a first target. Once I've hit my first target, I'm pretty happy. I don't get out. I'm pretty happy. And then I watch the trade. And if it starts invalidating, I'll take my profit. If it keeps on going, then I'm heading for my second target, which is great. And on my second target, I'll add a third target just in case. And at my first target, I might even add to the trade. So keep that in mind. Look at your winners as something you can add to. Look at your losers as, if it goes into stop loss, that trade is invalidated. It's no longer a trade that you would take today. You wouldn't take that trade today if it came up because it's effectively a loser. It's not showing you the right signals to go long. If it is, fine. If you can still see there's a trade there, then stay in it, hold on to it. You know, that's the only time I would suggest that you can actually move your stop losses if another trade has developed within that trade, which is, it can happen from time to time. Very seldom, but it can happen. So that's it. I hope that helps you in some way or another. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the last video. Bye.